Hi guys, it's Lincoln here with asklincoln.org, and today I'm gonna give you 15 websites where you can make money online today. The first one is QMe. QMe is a place where you can share your opinions and earn cash, and you can while you shop, search, and you can really earn cash through everything that you do. And it's quite a great platform, and earn when you search, earn when you shop, and earn when you share opinions on QMe. Link will be in the description. The second one is eToro, and this you can use to invest in the market. You can make a lot of money with it, but if you are into stocks, into trade, into buy, sell commodities, eToro is a great place to start. And I haven't started yet, but I'm planning to, and I think it's an amazing platform. The second one is to have your own website. Here's mine, asklincoln.org. And yes, one way you can make money is through AdSense, and other way is through affiliate marketing. And I'm actually trying to do something a little bit different, is to have like only value for the moment on my website, and you can check it out. It's not like done, but I'm just populating information in here. You can check this out, and having your website in 2019 is a great place to start building some authority out there. And I'm strongly recommending you to have a website if you want to be in a niche, or you like something, you feel passionate, and that's awesome. Yeah, the other one is Clickbank. Clickbank is a free platform, affiliate one, where you can make money online while driving traffic to those products. And if those traffics convert, then you get paid a commission. And I'm actually doing a 90-day challenge with Clickbank and another product that I'll be talking in this video. Pairing those two, I'm trying to hit $1,000 per day. And I will launch this journey, and will document it every day, even it's boring, and I will try to explain what I'm doing wrong, what I'm learning, what's happening, how to do other things better, promoting and all that. And it will start on the 15th of February, that's this month, in the next couple of days. Okay, the next one is Fiverr. So basically, if you're a freelancer and want to make more money with Fiverr, be it digital marketing, graphic design, or you have special skills in web design, video animation, music, anything like that, if you're good at it, and even if you are just starting and you're better than other people, then it's a great place to make some money. You just have to market yourself. Another same type of website is Upwork, where you have web developers, mobile developers. You can be paid for writing ebooks, for blogs, and etc. It's a great place to make some money online, but you still have to market yourself. Another one for affiliate marketing is Amazon, and they actually have the Amazon Associate. It's not this one, wait. Yes, Amazon Associate. You just have to join for free, and if you already have a niche, or you want to do something, like if you want to have your website, you just partner up with some of the products that Amazon already have, and drive the traffic to your website and if they want to purchase the product, then you'll get some commission based on that. The other one is Tuvia, which I'm currently using to sell my notes, and you can just turn your notes into cash and quite easily. And I'm really recommending this because there is a lot of people learning out there, and if you want to have ROI on your notes that you took, your textbooks, notes, class notes, anything that you have to help others, this is a great place to get that to the person. And the other one is Flippa. Flippa is another website where you can build a business, sell the domain, or suppose I'll build hostlincoln.org and I'm already making some money with it. I can sell my website or my domain on Flippa. It's called domain flipping or website flipping. You can sell, you can buy, you can check it out. It's an amazing place, and I'm really trying to get more like this type of assets. The other one is Music Maggie, and a lot of you have heard about this. You can sell anything that you have for cash, and it's nice. I haven't tried it yet, but it's really nice. I've checked out this site earlier this month, no, last month, and really there was some amazing thing there, and you can sell anything you want. Really, just check it out. The link will be in the description. Not an affiliate link or anything like that. The other one is superproof, and I don't know if it's for everyone, but I just want to, if you are good at something, you want to register, and you feel like you have, I don't know, you like cooking, you have something that you love, that you're good at, and that you want to get out there and teach someone, then it's a great place. Superproof. So another website is Mug, where you can sell your photos. If you're good at photography and you want to get your photo out there and get some return on your investment, like camera and anything like that, and you have really amazing photographs, and this is an amazing website, you can check this out. I already recommended this to my friends, and they are making some money with that. And the other place is eBay. eBay is awesome because you can sell anything that you want. You can have a store, and you can even drop ship on eBay, and this will be in another video, but eBay is an amazing website to sell things that you want to sell. YouTube, but with YouTube it's quite slow, and take it from me, I just started my channel, and it's taking some time to grow. I have some videos, not much, but still you have to consistently do something and grow, and also promote your channel, which I'm not doing right now, but I just want to grow it organically and help entrepreneurs the right way. The other one is BuildOverlap. I've talked about that. It's an amazing product to promote, and what I'm actually doing in the next couple of days, which I talked earlier with Clickbank, I'm doing a 90-day challenge, and I'm using BuildOverlap as a platform to promote only the Clickbank products for the next 90 days, and I hope to hit, I haven't done anything like that before, and I really hope to hit $1,000 per day in the next 90 days. And this challenge will start on the 15th of February 2019, and if you're really into that, just check out my journey. I will document everything on YouTube and check this out, because this is an amazing model for anyone who's starting out affiliate marketing. Of course, throughout my YouTube journey, I will talk about other business models like Shopify, like other models like selling courses and all that. But this is an amazing platform to start making money online and really promoting the tools that it has. It has a lot of great tools and features, and what I'm actually doing is promoting that product and promoting Clickbank products and see what's going on, how is it going. So I'm doing a challenge, in a 90-day challenge, and check out my website. It will be on that and on my YouTube channel, and I will upload every day. Even it's boring, I will upload every single details that I'm picking every day. And on that note, thank you for watching and have a nice day, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel,